Welcome to my video. So in this video we will append the two files. So here I have the two files, although they are the both same files. We can see the duration 1 hour 53 minutes and 42 seconds, and same with this because these are the same files. So how we gonna merge these files? So firstly select this file, then right click, then append files, then select the second file. After selecting this file, just start multiplexing and the process will start. So this is the way how the telegrammers merge the multiple episodes into one single file. So if you just want a single file for all the episodes of a series, you can merge it like this. Right click here, append files, and then select the other file. We have to wait for a minute to let it happen. Now the process has been done. So let's check it out, our new file. So this is our new file. So here you can see the total length is 3 hours 47 minutes and 26 seconds, while here the length is 1 hour 53 minutes 42 seconds. So we have successfully combined these two videos into one single file. Thank you.